If your WordPress site runs on LiteSpeed and your Wordfence scans are failing partway through and showing a message mentioning scan failed or possibly scan stage failed, this is most likely the result of the LiteSpeed web server stopping any processes that take more than a few seconds to run. This can cause issues with some WordPress plugins that need a little more time to complete certain tasks, such as background updates, backups, and with Wordfence in particular, scans. Thankfully, there is a simple solution that involves adding a tiny bit of code to a file on the server. But first, if you're not sure if you're running on LiteSpeed or not, you can go to the Wordfence Diagnostics page by going to Wordfence, Tools, and then clicking on the Diagnostics tab. From here, find the section named Other Tests and click to expand it if needed. Then click on this link to view the system's configuration information in a new tab. Now, simply search for server_software, and this should take you to the PHP variables section. And as we can see here, the value for the server_software variable is indeed LiteSpeed. If your value is not LiteSpeed, but you are having issues with scans not completing, then the issue may be due to something else. If this is the case, we recommend going to wordfence.com/help and searching scan troubleshooting, or by going directly to wordfence.com/help/scan/troubleshooting. The article will provide guidance and basic debugging steps you can try. Now, if your server software is indeed LiteSpeed, we can continue. What we'll need to do is access the server's .htaccess file, either by a remote shell such as via SSH or directly on your hosting provider's website if they offer an option that enables you to edit files on the server, such as with cPanel. The .htaccess file is almost always directly inside the root directory of the WordPress install. Please make a backup of the file first before you edit it so you have a copy you can restore to if you encounter any issues. The majority of the time, the first code block seen in the help article titled Wordfence and LiteSpeed will do the trick. Find the line that mentions begin WordPress, and directly above that line, paste in the first code block. Now, simply save the file and test. The change typically takes effect immediately after saving. Try to run a scan again and the issue should be resolved. If it's not, try replacing that code block you added with the second code block in the article. And ultimately, if that does not work, you can try the third code block. More than 90% of the time, the first code block will do the trick. If you still have issues after attempting these edits to the .htaccess file, please feel free to reach out for support. Wordfence free users can request assistance on the wordpress.org forums or by going to wordfence.com and at the top hovering over support and clicking on free support. Wordfence Premium, Care, and Response users can contact a specialist by filing a ticket on the website by going to wordfence.com, hovering over support, and clicking on Premium Support.